Hello everyone, this is Yuxiang Zhang and this is my answer for homework 4. And this is the first question. One of y equals to g of x equals to 2 when y is smaller than 0. And g of x equals to 0 when y is greater or equals to 0 and smaller than 1. And g of x equals to minus x plus 1 when x is greater or equals to 1 and is smaller or equals to 2. And g of x equals to minus 1 when x is greater than 2. And this is the sketch of g of x about x. And we can get this: p of y equals to 2 equals to p of x is smaller than 0 equals to fx of 0. And p of y equals to 0 equals to p of x when x is greater than equals to 0 and smaller than 1 equals to fx1 minus fx0. And p of y equals to minus 1 equals to p of x and when x is greater than 2 and it equals to 1 minus fx2. And because y equals to minus x plus 1, we can get x equals to 1 minus x. So fy of y equals to fx of 1 minus y. And in this situation, x should greater or equals to 1 and smaller or equals to 2. So we can get y is greater or equals to minus 1 and is smaller or equals to 0. So we can get fy of y equals to 1 minus fx of 2 multiply epsilon y plus 1 when y equals to minus 1, and fy of y equals to fx of 1 minus y when y is greater or equals to minus 1 and smaller than 0. And fy of y equals to fx1 minus fx0 multiply epsilon y when y equals to 0. And fy of y equals to fx0 multiply epsilon y minus 2 when y equals to 2. And this is the sketch of fy of y about y. And fy of y equals to 0 when y is smaller than minus 1, and fy of y equals to 1 minus fx of 1 minus y when y is greater or equals to minus 1 and smaller than 0. And fy of y equals to 1 minus fy0 when y is greater or equals to 0 and smaller than 2. And fy of y equals to 1 when y is greater or equals to than 2. And this is the sketch of fy of y about y. And this two sketch is about fx of x equals to about x. So this is my answer for first question of homework 4. And thank you everyone.